Alright, so hey everybody, welcome back to video number 11, 10, or 11. Pretty sure it's 11 of the Tropic Palette. So today, there's a new palette that she came out with, the Circo Loco palette that I want, but I don't need, because there's other things that are more important than I need in life right now. So I'm going to recreate a look using this palette. I'm going to insert it maybe here or here, I think right there, of the inspiration. Obviously, this is not the exact same palette as that one, but I'm inspired by some of the colors, and we are going to see what type of replica look I could recreate from this look that I like by her campaign of her Circo Loco palette. So let me go prep my face and then get my eyes ready and we will get into it. All right, so here we are. Just went ahead and prepped my face with dewy set. After this, I'm actually going to do a complexion video of all the stuff I was using for all these looks. I kept it the same so I can remember what I was using. So first things first, I think right in here, it was kind of like the hot pink. And I know in my palettes I have a hot pink, but today I strictly want to use this. So I think for the hot pink look, I'm going to go in with Nudist and Sangria. Nudist and Sangria mixed together. See what kind of thing comes out of that. And then put that right in the corner. It's right there. So this is definitely going to be more of a warm, cool tone mixture. Perfect. And just right in the corner, right there. Right up into the crease a little bit. Fluffy brush as usual. And then let me add a little bit more of just strictly the Nudist on top of that. Perfect. And a little bit up into the brow. Swing, swing, just like that. It's not as pinky as I was wanting, but let me go and do the other side and I'll be right back. Alright, so that is where we are. It's not as pink as I wanted, but there's no pink in there, so. Next, I'm gonna dip into Laguna because I know it was kind of like into like that blue, light blue, aqua blue. And I know this is kind of the closest thing I have, so. Dipping into Laguna with the fluffy brush, clean one, and just really up into the crease. And just really start to create that wing. Perfect. Just blending it into the concoction we made earlier. Perfect. It's actually such a gorgeous aqua blue. Perfect. Get in there. And of course, as always, just build it up to the intensity you want, and a little bit just right under. Perfect. Wing it out. There we go. Then we're going to the other side and we will continue. All right, so this is where we are. We'll see how it goes. So right on the lid, they have that like very metallic minty, which kind of reminded me of mint frost. So could do that right on the lid. Get it nice and icy. And just begin to pack it on the crease. And these metallics are so gorgeous. And then Pretty sure when she was creating this look, she definitely used her finger to apply it, but I'm gonna use this brush for now. Being resourceful. Kind of like that. Just keep applying it. Perfect. And just go right back into that crease and blend everything out. Just to have that seamless flow. And then for the outer part, it's like that deep, it's either that deep blue or that deep purple. So I'm going to use Tiger Lily, because I already know I have an eyeshadow color back there that I want to use, but I'm sticking with this. Tiger Lily, which is this deep ocean blue. So gorgeous. Onto the fluffy brush. And you stop blowing into my palettes. Perfect. And then just begin to blend it out. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and go in with a tapered brush into the Tiger Lily. And then we are going to define that crease a little bit more. Down. Go with the flat brush with the Tiger Lily and really start to create there we go. And back in with the blending brush. And that's when you really begin to just smoke it out. There we go. Let me go do the other side, even out the sisters, and I will be right back. All right, so this is where we're at. I'm not mad at it. An attempt was made. I just feel like that fuchsia pink would have been really nice right there. But actually, let's do a little bit more sangria. Back on the fluffy brush. And then just really start to intensify this area a little bit more. There we go. Blending it in to the blue. And then obviously blend out both sides to make them look cohesive. Perfect. And this is definitely an editorial look, but hey, if you want to walk the streets like this, rock it. Yellow. And of course, just add it up to the intensity you want. And looking at the picture again, I know there's like that deep purple in there, which obviously there's no deep purple in this, but to improvise, we have that Zena, which is more pastel. We're not even gonna worry about the purple, because actually, you know what? Dip into Zena, see if it'll even show up or anything. Just put dust right there. No, that's not helping. Screw it. Going back into Laguna, cleaning out my fluffy brush, clean, getting that Laguna, and then just re-emphasizing the outskirts of the previous Laguna. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Awesome. And I just realized my ring light was off this whole time. Great. I'm really good at this. So, you know what? This is actually not bad. For not having the Circo Loco palette. Are they sisters? Are they twins yet? Nope. But, so let me go and do the rest of my face, and I'm going to line the waterline with black liner, I think is in the picture. I'm going to do LSD from Urban Decay. I'll do black. Keep it dramatic. And let me do my complexion, and we'll finish up with the bottom. Be back. Alright, so complexion is on. Like I said, next video I will do a specific video with all the products I use for the complexion for this, including the foundation. Sorry, I'm getting like hair. But as of the look, I'm digging it. I am really digging it. So we're going to go ahead and finish up the bottom. So for the bottom, I am actually going to go in with, where is it? My liner brush. My favorite unicorn liner brush. I need to get these more prepared before I start my videos. Okay, I'm missing a brush. That's weird. Hold that thought. Found it. So, liner brush. Going in with Tiger Lily. And then we are going to go ahead and just go from there and just connect it to the outer part. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Do it to the other side. Perfect. Perfect. And then going in with the tapered liner brush and just go ahead and start to blend out the bottom. Just to give a little bit more of a smoky effect. And I'll just bring it around. And then for liner, I actually just went ahead with Urban Decay's Zero. But, and I'm gonna actually go ahead and dip into Zena. And just kind of pop that right here. Just to get that purple in there. Perfect. Just a hint of it, and then just blend it kind of right under the Tiger Lily. Perfect. And then obviously same thing with the other side. I love this look because it's very focused on the eyes. So for my facial features, that is the biggest focus I like to do is my eyes because they are brown. And I like to use colors that are going to pop them out. And again, damn it. Ring light, see? I am just winning today. Perfect. I'm just going to blend it up into the corner. And that is it. And then I'm going to go ahead and dip back into the Minted Frost and just re-emphasize that right in the corner. Perfect on both sides. A little bit into the Zena. There we go. Now for the brow bone. It's like there's almost a little bit of green in there. Oh, well, you know, for the brow bone, we're going to go with the good old limoncello. Because that is going to give. Perfect. Perfect. Kind of bring it up into the brow. Blend it in with that Laguna. There we go. Awesome. So just a little highlight. And there are the birds. Perfect. So there we go. There's Circo Loco inspired look. I mean, I must say, this is not bad. It's not the exact colors, but we got an inspiration from it. So let me go ahead and finish up my face and we'll be back with the final look. Alright, so, oh, light. There we go. So, final look. 10 looks. The Natasha Denona Tropic Palette. Natasha Denona Tropic Palette. Okay. So, like I said, I'm doing these because if any other people have this palette, got rid of it, thinking about getting rid of it, professional makeup artists who are interested in it, have it, not inspired, 10 different videos of, no, 11. Oh, I'm so on top of it today. 11 looks on this. 11 different ways I've used it. You know, I used some of the eyeshadows for blush, did more editorial, mattes, creative, artistry, stuff like that. So, next palette will be going on to Pat McGrath Rose Decadence. We'll see how many videos I can come up with that. So, 11 palettes. I might come back to this later because there still are some mattes like Fake Tan, Sahara, Vintage Taupe, Pastel Lemons. I mean, and we did 11 looks with this and nothing has actually barely even hit pan yet. Not bad. So as usual, if you guys want to see the final edit of this look, head to my Instagram page and we will see you next video. Oh yeah, so next video will actually be the complexion of how I did this. So stay tuned.